What do you see?
Wow,
That's right. What's that? What is that? Penguin.
Has he even seen this book before?
I don't know.
Because he knows
Wow.
brown bear, but not panda bear,
Right.
bear.
What do you say? Thank you, Granddad. Say I love you guys. Next.
This one.
Okay, open it up.
This way. This way.
Yes, that way.
Over here.
What is it?
Mine.
It's yours? What is it, buddy?
It's over.
It's a what?
It's over.
It's a guitar?
Uh-huh.
You think so? Whoa! Ah, it's a birthday cake! It's to cook in your kitchen! Isn't that cool? What do you say?